Hey, Grandpa, what are you doing?
I'm putting on the Ford's Just Better edition emblems on the Mustang. So I'm trying to get it centered.
I don't think that's right.
What do you mean you don't think it's right? My buddy told me they have new Ford's Just Better edition emblems that make your Mustang pony.
I don't think that doesn't sound very right.
I don't understand what you mean, but I like them. I think they're absolutely perfect. So, yeah.
Okay, whatever you say.
Yeah, I like them. So, yeah. How do they look?
They look nice.
Look nice?
Yes.
I mean, Ford's Just Better. I mean, how can you go wrong, right? So, yeah. I don't know. I like them. So.